আজি samla pola khobor te ekta breaking aro afsos khobor loina viewers khan ke jankari kuri dibole mon thakya toli jar rati top leader NSN arm deputy councillor khampe opham konyak miscreant khanbra mon district Tizi town phidoti murai dishko gena report palu ase sources de khampai konyak tu NSN KYA fraction ti thagina jasal split ho ja karni NSN arm join kurgena aha tu jarati 9:15 inikatamti arm screen khanbra ta laga gote ahina matha te duibar aro right side chest te guli mar digina hospital lo ja thaksholipi bacha bole napara ho ja shiko ase itu bloodshed hatsa opoti NSN arm khan tu rival fraction suspected kura ase aro ita takti individual group kunrapi responsible claim kura nai aro hatsa opoti digit police khan investigate rakhilo ase aro well wishers family members khan tu funeral service rakhi dia ase federal government of Nagaland Naga National Council NNC khan junai thakya asapti senior NSN IM functionaries general retired HS Ramsan aro talaga officer rank and file khan sob spirit of solidarity ikiloko kam kurgina common political right historical right aro right of Naga plebiscite of 1951 NNC under kam kurgina jabole ahilo shikogina release kuri dia ase FGN commander in chief general Jackson laga statement team pursuit of unity and cooperation recognizing the importance of collaboration unity and mutual understanding hesabti on behalf of FGN president general retired Topuni Rakho tai Ramsan Logina constructive dialogue aro Naga manu key challenges face kurgena ja thakya address kudi shiko ase aro itu communication and commitment to peaceful resolution strong partnership biswas aro respect hesabti foundation rakhilogina itubra Naga nation ti obstacle khan overcome kurlobo aro future generation karni bal rasta bright future anibole parbo koi dia ase state of Madhya Pradesh reporti jarati Hazaria area ti passenger bus ekta tractor upor collide ho jaina 16 jon jokhum kudisha aro hospital panchayat digina treatment ja thaka official update dia ase khobor te accident hatsatu passenger bus Hazaria road logena ja thaka damti tractor opposite direction bra ai thaka upor laki jagina tuita garpi bia hojasha aro passenger on board jokhum paina thaka khan ki police aro ambulance khan punchi jagina hospital lo jai dishe ko ase Manipur state laga hamla uporte ekta breaking khobor pai thaka sabtu Manipur high court khan tu jasal march moinati odor digena mite community scheduled tribe listed kridia revoke kulobole state government khan ke odor dishekli state fitor shanti anibole na para eklan hogina itu paragraph supreme court tepi conflict ja thakan mite court constitution bench khan jonai dia ase state 23rd edition of inter district Dr. T out trophy health kurbole na pargena ja thaka opoti dangor setback paigena ja thaka ko ase kli 3 bar 4 bar date fix kurgena postpone kri thakan mite ko ase report even to Tingsang district planning and development board khan jasal October munati health kulobole kotha kurgena October 16 to 28 set kudishe holipi postpone kurgena November 13 to 24 health kulobole organizing committee khan set kudishe holipi health kulobole napara hojagena Nagaland football association khan February 6 tarik itusal health kulobole notun date jonai digena new year ahjasha aro health kulobole napara akiti February 12 to 17 Nagaland Olympic Games health kulusha aro Northeast Olympic Games March 18 to 23rd health kulobole set kurgena ja ase aro Dr. T out trophy 23rd edition muri thaka dekhibo pare ase